Have you ever wondered how crucial cleanliness and hygiene are in our surroundings? It's more than just a matter of appearance. A clean environment is essential for our mental and physical well-being. Imagine coming home to a spotless, fresh-smelling house after a long day. It's rejuvenating, isn't it? Now imagine that same house with grimy walls and a dusty driveway. Not so inviting, right? This is where power washing comes into play. It's a quick, efficient way to maintain the cleanliness of your property, enhancing not just its appeal but also its longevity. In a world where cleanliness is paramount, one company stands out. Welcome to Jabez Power Washing. Jabez Power Washing, a name that resonates with quality and reliability. This Georgia-based gem has been transforming homes, one power wash at a time. But don't just take our word for it. Let's turn to the voices that matter most, the satisfied customers. The reviews from homeowners are a testament to the impeccable service Jabez Power Washing provides. One happy customer raves about how their once dull and dirty driveway is now gleaming, thanks to the power wash magic. Another echoes this sentiment, marveling at how their home's exterior went from grimy to gorgeous overnight. It's not just about the visible transformation, though. With each power wash, Jabez is improving the hygiene of these homes, banishing mold and dirt that often go unnoticed. This commitment to cleanliness goes beyond the surface, contributing to a healthier living environment for homeowners. But what sets Jabez Power Washing apart is the level of customer satisfaction. Review after review highlights the friendly service, punctuality, and professionalism. Homeowners appreciate the attention to detail, the efficient work, and the reasonable pricing. It's clear that Jabez Power Washing isn't just doing a job, they're building relationships based on trust and quality service. Over the years, Jabez Power Washing has earned a solid reputation among homeowners, not just for the transformative power of their work, but for the overall customer experience. They've proven that power washing isn't just about cleaning surfaces, it's about reviving homes and restoring pride in homeownership. As the reviews attest, Jabez Power Washing is more than just a service, it's a game changer. What makes Jabez Power Washing stand out? Let's delve into what makes this company unique. The key to Jabez's difference is their unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. They don't just clean, they ensure every nook and cranny shines with renewed luster. They employ high-quality equipment and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions, demonstrating their dedication to both quality service and our planet. It's this meticulous attention to detail that sets Jabez Power Washing apart from the rest. Jabez Power Washing, setting the bar high in power washing services. Are you ready to transform your home? Think about the benefits of power washing. It's just about removing dirt, but also about rejuvenating your home's appearance. With Jabez Power Washing, you're assured of a convenient, efficient, and affordable service that respects your time and budget. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your home sparkle like new again. Why put off something that makes a significant difference in your home today? Don't wait for tomorrow. Give your home the Jabez Power Washing treatment today. Experience the difference, feel the satisfaction. Dial 404-964-2243 to book our services now.